KULR, this is the lifetime of a buy opportunity right in here. I've made plenty of videos about this before about skipping the EMAs. This was on the watch list for this coming week here that I made. But really beautiful setup right in here. We had this upper band being touched by my by the daily candles. That means price is extremely bullish, and basically what we're looking for is a retest type pattern to these EMAs, right? This is an extreme type of retest, and this is what I'm saying in my previous videos and in my updated education in my Discord. If you're in the Discord, I'm looking to skip EMAs. So if we go down and we touch the 5, I skip it. I always go for the 10. So I'm going to play the 10 and then the 50 bounce. So right in here on the 10, you made decent gains. You're up 20%. Take those gains. Where do you look to take the gains? It's not really a level I look for. I look for percentages. If I'm up 10%, I scaled the gains out. I am in this one right now. If you're in the Discord, you got real-time alerts. These aren't just, traders saying, oh, KULR is going to go big after it's already did it. I alerted KULR right here in the swing trade alerts, right here on this image. The daily EMA 50 you can see was 188. I want a penny higher, and I said I'm buying KULR here at 1.89, clear as daylight. No, it's very easy to see the price has skipped the EMA 20 and headed towards the EMA 50, which is what I'm discussing right now. And if you watched my watch list video post yesterday, this was on the big watch list of an EMA 50 bounce. When the market is very weak, you have to look for these EMA 50 plays. Those are going to be your big bounces. So I got this at 189. I still think it's cheap, but as you can see, we're getting a lower wick here. Price penetrated a little bit, and now we have this lower wick. I think price can come back up here and touch this EMA 20, which is a 40% gain. I really think that's possible, or the EMA 10, which is 51%. So when we're playing these lower EMAs, you look for price to retest the upper EMAs, and if they go above it, then that's extremely bullish. So they could reclaim these EMAs, and then the EMA 5 becomes the very top again. So I like this little level at 1.89. You can see on the 15-minute chart, we bought it at right here. We are up roughly 8% almost. So I do think this has a lot more in the tank. Since I'm swing trading this as part of my rules, I swing trade it overnight, so I don't use a day trade if you're part of the community. So I'm definitely watching this as the most valued setup that I see in the market. You can also see on the weekly chart there, we're kind of close to this 20, but I do think that we will bounce on this daily chart here. I like this company a lot. Lots of good news. It's just that the company has been, or that the market has been over, extremely red, and that's what's causing this big down move happen. We went from $5 all the way down to $1, $1 or $2 right now. So we took a big haircut. Right in here, you can expect that bounce. Always aim for 10% target, price target. If I'm swing trading, I'll hold it overnight, but I could be up 20%, 30%. But by the time I'm swing trading it for the next day, if I'm up 10%, I'm taking my shares off, and I'm going to hold some at break even, okay? Just want to make this quick video here, as this could dip back down to this EMA 50. You could get back in, or I do think this is a good area to buy. Now, for the people that bought way up in here, just understand that price is in balance. If you see price come up here, it's not to say it can't keep going up. It's just more riskier. And the reason why I like using the skipping EMA rule, I don't think anyone's probably heard of it or used it, but you look the back test, when you skip EMAs and you go to a bigger demand zone, that's when you get the bigger pumps. For example, we skip the 5 to go to the 10. This is your bigger pump. Skip the 20 to go to the 50, and this could easily be a massive pump. The EMA 10 and 50 are your bigger pumps. We don't know which EMA is going to pump the biggest, right? For example, when we skipped EMAs in the very when we saw KULR, when I made a video way back, you see how we hit this upper band? That's when I look for the play for a momentum play. If the EMA 50 is at the very bottom, it's in an uptrend. So I had to make sure this EMA 50 is at the very bottom. We hit this upper counter channel at extreme overextended settings that, if it does do that, it's probably going to go back down, and it just means it's really bullish. So right here, we skip the 5 and go to the 10, and what happens is we make a 40% move up. And then we don't play each level again. If it goes back to the 10, we don't play it again. So we look for the skipping of the 20 to the 50. And you see the analysis happens here. Yes, it can go a little below the 50. It's not perfect. But from this one here is where you got the early uptrend idea, and you have made the biggest gain on this. If you held right in here, it has made a 1,500% gain. by getting in the trend early using my skipping the EMA, using the Keltner channel rule, and bouncing here. Could we make a new high? Absolutely from here. I have no doubt that we could actually go all the way up in here and make a new high. Is that realistic? And anyone say for sure? No. So that's why I'm playing my rules and be like, you know what? I know what works. Play those, because if I didn't take my gains right up on this area, then I would have lost out on potential and I would have had to average way up in here. Taking these gains helps, and putting a stop loss at break even when you're up over 10% is very smart. Okay, so and then you can see the rules play out, over and over. We hit this top Keltner channel, we barely missed the 10 here, and then we go up in here, we skip the 5 and go to the 10, and we make another bounce. We go back down, we don't play these levels, even though they touched it again. And the more you see my videos, you'll see how this plays out many times. I call it the skipping the EMA. Are we hitting the Keltner channel? Is the EMA 50 at the very bottom? If all these align, you're in a very strong bullish uptrend, and we look to play those strong demand zones, okay? I really think this thing can get going big time. Keep this one on watch. Don't let this one get out of your sights. I think this is one of the best plays in the market for a sub $5 stock, okay? Keep this one on your watch. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and get real-time alerts that, for literally only 12 bucks a month, you get access to everything. If you just want swing trades, it's only 6 bucks a month. You will get these alerts in real time of images of why I like the trade, of the skipping the EMA strategy, of why we skipped the 5 to 10, we played this, and then you skip the 20 to 50, why we're in lighter right now, and why we're in making massive money. We played a lot of plays the last week. We played Lace, and you can see the same pattern happening. We skip the 20 here, go to the 50, and guess what? Lace went up 92%. Massive gains. And you'll see this over and over again. We skip the 20 here, go to the 50, and we made a pump of 46% on QBTS. It works. The strategy is good. And I think you guys are going to really love this. So I see lots of plays like this. I try to look for the company. Is the company good? KULR has better fundamentals than a lot of these. And I play based on what the chart says. Where is the institutional money putting it in? If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do is hit day trade alerts if you want to become a member of the Day and Swing Trading Plus membership for only 12 bucks a month. Okay, 12 bucks a month, you'll get access to everything, future education, future things that I see. You can watch all my videos. Watching this video right now, you're kind of like, okay, I probably bought KULR too high. I didn't know there's these bands here that make it imbalance. I didn't know that the EMAs are the buying zone where institutions put their money, and you can expect those bounces. I didn't know about the skipping EMA strategy. And these are the stuff that you will learn more and more you watch these videos, more and more you see it, and then just back test the strategy, okay? I think you guys will be pleased. So for 12 bucks a month, you'll be a part of a community. You'll get my alerts. You'll get suggestions from other people where we have a stock suggestions tab that meets the system, and we could see a lot of stuff about that, all right? So hope you guys liked the video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. If you do subscribe and want to become a part of the membership, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And if you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer or use your phone's browser like Google or Safari to get rid of that iOS fee, and you're going to be safe here. So yeah, day trade alerts, swing trade alerts. I do live streams for you guys and one-on-one mentorship. If you're ever confused, like, hey, I don't understand this, I don't understand that, I have no problem. Like, I went with a member and I did a 1-hour phone call or on Discord, and I described he just wasn't getting the EMAs, and I have no problem doing that. I have no problem setting up the chart for you. I also have videos about all this, but that's the purpose of this. You spend a little resource for my time, I will help you guys out. But this is a very nice buy opportunity, guys. Don't miss out on KULR. A lot of people wanted it way up in here. Now's the time to buy when it's at extremely depressed settings. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and thank you so much for watching. Peace out.